Honestly, it's kind of sad what the SEC is doing. The SEC is so afraid of XRP, is so afraid of what it's going to do for, I guess, individuals and the US dollar that they they're resorting to so many different tactics and honestly not following laws, not following court rulings. It makes no sense to me in how they can get away with whatever they want to do and not see any type of consequences. And, we decide to do one thing or make a mistake in something and they hold us accountable as if we were going to, no matter what, break the law, right? We make a mistake on our taxes and all of a sudden it's tax fraud. And, when it comes to, the SEC, if they decide to hold people accountable on something that honestly doesn't make sense, is not law, then why shouldn't they be held accountable for doing that, right? Shouldn't they? So in this video, I want to talk about what Brad Garlinghouse has said about the SEC, the battle with not only protecting crypto but ending the constant, not only criticism but constant attacks from the SEC, and making people feel like crypto is the enemy when crypto is the future, and we all know that. So I want to talk about XRP in this video. Guys, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. If you want to check me out on Twitter, check me out on Patreon. You could do those in the description. Also, if you want to trade XRP at up to a 50x leverage, you can do so using Margex, which is down below in the description, as well as if you want to trade it at a 5x leverage, right? You can trade it all the way from 5x leverage to 50x leverage. You can chart a lot better than where you could chart anywhere else. So feel free to check out the link for Margex down below. It honestly is a really good platform. I've had a lot of success with it. I love that platform. Now, the reason I talk about this is because of a tweet that I saw from Brad Garlinghouse, right? Brad says that the SEC now believes it can operate above the law, ignoring a court's ruling that XRP isn't a security. Team Ripple will be watching closely and weighing our own options to hold the SEC accountable. So you have Bitnominal Exchange has filed a suit against the SEC to prevent them overreaching their statutory authority and asserting joint jurisdiction over Bitnominals. Am I saying that's nominal? I think I said it the right way the first time. XRP's future contracts, which are under the sole jurisdiction of the CFTC. So let me go ahead and show more there. You can read more about it there. So this brings up a kind of a topic like why is the SEC trying to basically say, oh well, you know what, we have joint jurisdiction, and it's not proven that XRP is not a security, or it's not proven that XRP is a security. And right now, since we're still in that middle point, we shouldn't see anybody be able to trade, anybody be able to act, anybody be able to do anything with it. And honestly, it's something that kind of bothers me, where I feel as though there's they're trying to silence XRP in a large way. They're trying to silence Ripple in a large way because of what XRP could be, because of what Ripple is trying to do. This, you have to understand that Ripple and the things that XRP offers with fast transactions, efficiency, security, the fact that it's cheap, right? It takes away from the standard process, standard transactions for the US dollar, for what we use that dollar for. If there's a better option that's out there, a cheaper option that's out there, a lot of companies, a lot of businesses, a lot of banks will explore that option because it gives them that much more profit in the end. If they can find a way to save that fee, absolutely they'll do it. There are people out there, there are businesses out there that cut all ties with a factory because they can't do it for $1, right? And this factory can do it for $1, and they found a way to cut costs. This one can do it for $1.05. This one can do it for $1. They're going to take that every single time. With how many transactions, how many purchases go through, they're going to take that every single time. So right now we see a fight, and we don't only see one fight, we see multiple fights where businesses like Ripple and Coinbase and Kraken and many others are trying to just get an understanding of where the SEC is coming from. Not just to pay money and go, okay, we did something wrong. What did we do wrong? Why did we do that wrong? How do we fix it? How do we differentiate it? But there's no explanation to say this is how we do it, right? For some reason I got that song in my head. This is how we do it. They're not explaining that, right? They're just doing what's next. Na 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 na. This is how we do. Anyways, if we go over to other articles, right, you see that Ripple CEO seeks to end the SEC enforcement actions against the crypto or against crypto in general, and you see a lot where Ripple plans cross appeal in the SEC case. We need every single exchange to come out and just sue the SEC, right? Yes, it's a long fought battle. Yes, it's going to be something that they probably have a little bit of leeway in or room to be wrong because they kind of sway opinions and decisions and all of that stuff. But we need that fight. We need that clarity. And we have proven that crypto, for not all crypto, right? Some crypto can be scams, some crypto can take money away from people, but there's many cryptocurrencies that are out there that literally just want to see a better future, and other countries are monitoring these things and taking everything into account and trying to understand rather than just attacking. But the SEC decides that they want to do a different thing every single time. So we're going to be looking out for that, which means that throughout this bull run, if this does become that long, hard fought battle, we may see another 4 years. And XRP just won't be something that explodes in 2025. It may explode, but it's probably not going to be the explosion that we want because it's going to be held down. And I don't want it to be held down because I feel like cryptocurrency is growing. And if everything else grows and XRP doesn't, is XRP going to get left behind? That's something that I don't want to have happen. But you never really know, especially with these long, hard fought battles, right? So anyways, where's XRP right now? XRP stands at about 54 cents. It's up about 1% on the day. We're seeing it at a $30 billion market cap with $653 million worth of volume, down 39% at a 2% volume to market cap ratio. We are seeing that we currently have 56.65 billion that's out there for XRP, but we're pretty much staying in the same spot. And that's because of, a lot of people don't know where we're going. And to be honest, to be 100% honest, when investors are looking at an investment, they're looking for it for the gain. They're not just looking for it for that ultimate purpose and supporting XRP. Some people might, I am. But it's more about what gain are they going to see tomorrow? What gain are they going to see next month? What gain are they going to see next year? And if it's 100% certain that we're going to see another battle and no type of gain, then you're going to see people that probably drop off and don't believe in this anymore because they just want to see the gains. Because if they have $50,000 sitting in XRP, what are they missing out on by not investing into other plays that are out there? And I totally understand it, but I'm sitting strong with XRP. I do have other money that's invested elsewhere, but I understand XRP will eventually explode and be worth so much more. But we need this battle to be over, and we need clarity right now. It would be a huge benefit to Ripple, to XRP, to the XRPL, and all investors holding all of those. Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Let me know what you think about where XRP stands, the tweet that came from Brad Garlinghouse, and the attack of the SEC and continued attack and suppression from the SEC. I'm going to get out of here. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.